Setting fitness goals isn't just about what you want to achieve. It's about how you're going to achieve it. Before we dive into goal setting techniques, first let's understand your why. Your motivation is the fuel that keeps your fitness journey running smoothly. For example, let's say your goal is to increase your deadlift weight, or maybe you want to fit into your favorite pair of jeans comfortably again. Whatever your reason, connecting with your why is essential for staying focused and committed. Now, let's talk about the SMART approach to goal setting. This method ensures your goals are well defined and achievable. Let's break down each letter of SMART. S is for specific. Nail down precisely what you want to accomplish. For instance, rather than saying, I want to get fit, you might say, I want to lower my body fat percentage by 5%. M is for measurable. Decide on how you'll measure your progress. Whether it's tracking your lifts in the gym or recording your running times, measurable goals keep you accountable. A is for achievable. Ensure your goal is within reach, considering your current fitness level and lifestyle. For example, committing to 3 gym sessions a week might be more realistic than aiming for 7. R is for relevant. Your goal should align with your broader aspirations, whether it's improving your overall health or training for a specific event. Make sure it matters to you. T is for time bound. Set a deadline to create a sense of urgency. This could be aiming to achieve your goal within a certain number of weeks or months. Balancing short-term wins with long-term aspirations is the key for sustained motivation and progress. For example, a short-term goal could involve mastering a new yoga pose to increase hip flexibility in the next 3 months, while a long-term goal might be to increase your squat by 50 pounds within a year. By having both types of goals, you keep yourself motivated with immediate achievements while also working towards something bigger. Remember, these goals are like stepping stones on your fitness journey, each one bringing you closer to your ultimate destination. Now that you have your goals, it's time to map out your path to success. Breaking down your goals into actionable steps is crucial. If your goal is to improve your flexibility, your action plan might include incorporating daily stretching routines or attending yoga classes twice a week. The key is to make these tasks manageable and progressive. Don't forget to track your progress along the way, whether that's through a fitness app, a training journal, or grabbing a notebook and pen and paper. Monitoring your journey keeps you accountable and motivated. Flexibility is important when it comes to setting goals. Life is unpredictable, and it's normal for priorities to shift or obstacles to arise along the way. If an injury disrupts your training, don't fall off. Instead, adjust your goals to focus on recovery and rehabilitation. Remember, setbacks are just detours, not roadblocks. And don't forget to celebrate your victories. No matter how small, whether it's hitting a new personal best or sticking to your meal plan for a week, acknowledging your achievements keeps you motivated and reinforces positive habits. As we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned today. We've discussed the importance of understanding your why, the SMART approach to goal setting, balancing short-term and long-term goals, creating actionable plans, and staying adaptable along the way. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Share your fitness goals in the comments below, and hit that subscribe button for more content from Doug Brown Training. I'll catch you guys in the next video.